Hey guys, and today I'm going to be showing you guys all the fidgets I got from vacation. So let's get started. First, I got this flower poppet. It is very cool how it has all of these, and then there is this middle part. But it's not that loud. But it's very soft. So I'm going to show you the next thing now. Then I got this purple circle poppet. And yeah, it's very, very cool and nice. Then I got this pineapple. And yeah, we all know who lives in a pineapple under the sea. I got this star, which it's very loud, and then this part in the middle is the loudest. Very nice. And I got a strawberry. I thought it was really pretty, so yeah. And you might wonder something, I got a lot of rainbow poppets. It's like, because that little poppet stand in the mall I went to, it had like only rainbow poppets and some poppets that are like one color or like multicolored, but this is the only one that was multicolored that wasn't rainbow. And then these ones are like, there's like purple and teal and orange, but I got purple. So yeah. And yeah, I like this one. But this side's really soft. This side's a tiny bit hard, but not super hard. But yeah, very durable. Anyways, I'm going to show you more things now. By the way, I got other stuff, but I lost some of it, so yeah. So I got this, but I haven't opened it yet because I'm going to give it to someone. And, yeah, it's very nice. It's basically sticky poo. It's squishy. And, like, yeah. Then we got clear blue versions. They are very sticky, so they get dirty easily. But they're like mochis, but like way squishier. But they don't get like bad dirty. It's not like they pick up a lot of dirt. They just maybe might pick up like some random stuff on your floor. Like for an example, like my floor is carpet, so I might pick up some hair from the carpet, like carpet hair. So yeah. Then I got this, but it ran out of air and it deflated. But first it was really, really squishy and stuff, and had a light, but the light broke. So yeah. Then I got this fidget spinner, and yeah. Here, I'm going to hold up my camera like this to show you. And these can pop out and they can be used as erasers. And also fun to put like two of them in and spin it because it can feel uneven, and yeah. Then I got this flippy water snake. It's a water snake, and this is the first one. It's a bunny or rabbit or whatever it is. I have no idea what animal this is, but yeah. And then I got this fidget spinner that my cousin gave me. And yeah, it has this flicker button, like a light switch. It has these buttons. This thingy. On the back side, it's like textures. Feels really nice. Really love it. Then I got this sushi. And yeah, it's very nice and squishy. It's a little bit hard, but it's still squishy and it's very soft. So yeah. And this is the last thing I got that I know where it is. So yeah, and it has a lot of glitter, and it's a NASA ball, squishy ball, but it's from Casa. So yeah, those are all the fidgets I got. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to like subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yeah, share us to your friends. And yeah, we are on our road to 500. Maybe that's a little too much right now. Okay, so basically, I at least want to get to 500 by this year. But right now, basically, we're on our road to 300. So help us get to 300 by sharing this with your friends. Bye.